How can we live a cleaner and a healthier life? Just look to the world around us. The earth uses water to cleanse itself of surface dirt, airborne particulates, dust, and man-made contaminants. That's how Mother Nature works. But what about inside your home? Wouldn't it be nice to clean your home in the most natural way possible? We designed the Ritello home cleaning system to do just that. Inspired by Mother Nature's concept, the Ritello uses one of its most powerful elements, water, to trap all unwanted dust, dirt, and contaminants, eliminates odors inside its unique water basin, leaving behind a cleaner and healthier home for your family. The Ritello has been proven to significantly reduce airborne allergens such as dust mites, pet dander, and pollen, as well as irritants such as smoke, odors, and other unpleasant substances. The Center of Preventative Medicine has tested the Ritello, and based on their recommendation, the Ritello is now certified as being a health product by the ZPMed organization in Germany. It has also been tested and certified by the Ministry of Health in Italy as a medical product and is recommended to those who suffer from allergen and other irritants that commonly trigger asthma and allergic reactions. The ultimate cleaning system for your family. Ritello, the power of nature.